Today I want to explain the power of highly active micronutrition on human health and wellness. First of all, we have to understand that there are actually 4 major critical factors that affect human health. The first one is genetic combination. If your genetic is good, your health will be good. If your genetics bad, health will be bad. Apart from that, we have 3 other critical factors. Energy that animates the human life, the mind that regulates the human life, and the body which follows the instructions of the mind, which is a physical aspect of human life. Human energy and human mind, you have to take care by working on them, by motivating yourself and developing confidence. But when it comes to the human body, it is about biochemical balance. It is estimated that the human body will have about, or has about 7,000 odd biochemicals working. The balance, the equilibrium, the optimum levels of these biochemicals determine the quality of health. So any product which is expected to give health to the human body on a regular basis must maintain these 7,000 biochemicals in an optimum level, so that all the biological processes in the body, metabolic or even immune response, growth, development, depends on this biochemical balance. So the product we have developed at AK Pharmacy and Naturopathy Center through our research and developmental work is a super product we call Manna Plus. Manna Plus is made of 36 edible seeds, and these 36 edible seeds, if their bioactive principles are totaled up together, it can reach more than 7,000, and when consumed on a regular basis as a dietary supplement, it will ensure that the 7,000 biochemicals are in a state of equilibrium and optimum balance, thereby optimizing health, optimizing all biological processes, keeping it in an efficiency mode with a high level of immunity, so that the body can be in what we call a disease refusal state, where diseases do not come to us. It is better to prevent diseases than to work on a cure. So Manna Plus gives you proactive forecaring healthcare, which when taken on a regular basis can prevent major illnesses in the body. In this booklet, which is the spectrum analysis of the bioactive principles in this product called Manna Plus, you will see that this product alone, in terms of antioxidants, contains more than 370. And these 370 antioxidants in one product makes Manna Plus the only and the most unique product with the highest amount of antioxidants, apart from all other nutrients and bioactive principles the body requires to keep itself in a healthy, proactive, disease refusal state. Okay?